everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a fascinating story about a Ford Mustang Dark Horse that was delivered with a unique factory error. Let's dive into the details. This is Jim Manderano's brand new Mustang Dark Horse. Looks stunning, right? But look closer at those taillights. Notice something off? That's right, the taillights don't match. One is from North America, and the other seems to be from an export model, likely meant for Australia, New Zealand, or Europe. Jim Manderano, I was driving behind my wife on our way home, and suddenly, I saw it. The taillights were completely different. This error passed through multiple checks, at the factory, during pre-delivery inspection, and even when Jim first got the car. It wasn't until he posted in a Facebook owners forum that he confirmed the issue. Jim is hoping Ford will replace the correct taillight with another incorrect one to make his Mustang truly one of a kind. But the dealership needs approval from Ford corporate to make this happen. Jim Manderano commented, "The dealership said they'd replace it, but it has to be with the US Spec 1 unless corporate allows otherwise. We're just waiting to hear back now. What do you think? Should Ford make this Mustang a unique model with mismatched taillights?" Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more interesting car stories. See you next time!